A public cloud is a type of cloud computing model in which the computing resources are owned and operated by a third-party cloud service provider. These resources are shared among multiple customers, and users can access them and use them on pay-as-you-go or subscription basis. Resources such as compute, storage, and network infrastructure are shared across multiple customers, leading to economies of scale and cost saving. Public cloud are accessible over the internet, allowing users to access the computing resources from anywhere with an internet connection. Public cloud are managed, maintained, and secured by the service provider, reducing the burden on users for infrastructure management. Public cloud providers often have data center across multiple geographic locations, providing global reach and redundancy for increased reliability. Organizations often choose public cloud for flexibility, cost effectiveness, and ability to quickly scale their IT infrastructure without the need of significant upfront investment.